project in Maven, you can just try to go to that project, right click over here and click on the option run as, and you just have to select the option here, Maven install, right? If you have properly configured Maven and you have already developed a project in Maven in a correct order, then you can simply click on Maven install. It would take a while to complete the whole process. If it is executing the test in a correct way, then it will be highlighting a message, build success. If it is not properly built, it will say build failure, right? Or build failure or build failed message will be highlighted in your Eclipse window, especially in the console. And you can see one test case we have written. Okay, by default the name is already given app test. Okay, this is the first and initial way to utilize the command Maven install. If you try to add in other way, I just try to show you. You just have to right click on run as, and there's an option called Maven build, and here you can write install, right? Same command you should add here. Click on apply and run. It will execute the same steps as you have seen. You can see you can get the output as build success, and there is no any other requirement we have seen. I hope this part has been helping you in your learning. Second point, we are just trying to check in